Welcome to Build My Mini. This is Eve. Today, we are making a super fun burger shop. I want to say a big thank you to my sweet customer, Tamar. Tamar gave me the wonderful idea for this little shop. This kit has 6 pages of beautiful designs for you to build. It is not exactly 1/12 scale, but it is very close. Your small dolls will have the best time visiting this cozy place. Look at all the tiny, yummy details. We have burgers, crispy fries, and cold drinks ready to go. There is even a shiny soda machine that looks just like a real one. The best part of Pixine is making it for someone special. As you fold and glue, think of someone who makes you smile. Maybe they love a fun lunch or a yummy treat. Putting in the little details is like sending them a tiny hug made of paper. Working on these small pieces helps your mind feel quiet and happy. It is a wonderful way to let your stress melt away. I hope you love making this happy scene for someone you love. I hope you like our Build My Mini paper craft projects. We usually update every week. Don't leave. The video is still continuing.